Yo, so today I will tell you about how to start drawing, what to draw when you don't feel like drawing, and a quick tip on how to start art as a career while practicing some different poses. So, starting drawing isn't really that hard as much as you think. Grab a paper or a book or notebook or anything, and a pencil or pen, and try to make a picture of how are you feeling right now, or a place as a little escape window from this world. It don't have to be a masterpiece. It's just a doodle behind your notebook or in your notes, a showcase of your mood at the time of drawing. If you are scared of somebody will laugh at you for it, then don't worry, nobody cares. And if that's not the thing and you want appreciation or feedback, then I will recommend posting it on social media platforms. But Instagram and YouTube are not a place for beginners. So I'll recommend Kara for it. It's the best platform for all kind of artists except AI artists, because that's not a real thing. If still you don't get feedback, then my YT community is always open for you all, and you can post your artwork here. Okay, so now you started drawing, but there will be some times when you feel like what to draw, or nothing coming up in mind, or feeling like not going forward, just falling behind. At those times, about you should go to Pinterest and search for your favorite thing which give you ease or a peace of mind. Like, if I talk about myself, I will search for something jelly, glass, clouds, food, or some funny images to draw like these ones. Put your headphones on and play your favorite music. Forget about this world and take your time to draw them. That feeling of forgetting to draw everything is temporary, so don't worry about it that much. Just keep drawing. Now you draw every day little by little, and you are not beginner anymore. You like drawing so much, that's why you want to become full-time artist. So, to be honest, I don't know much about this one. I'm just a little freelancer artist. I realized last year that I can't live without drawing, so at last I chose art as a career choice. I'm still trying to find a long-term art-related job with good salary, of course. So the thing you can do is improve and improve more. As you become more pro, clients will come to you. You don't have to find clients much. As you know, I'm not a pro right now. That's why I have to look so. Or start posting on social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram to reach more and more audience. Or you can also find clients there too. Or you can open commissions on VGen, make a strong portfolio with your best artworks. If you start in commission, then keep the price low at start and increase with the amount of commissions you get, and improvement in your skills too. The rate of my first commission was $15 last year. Now it is $60 for fully detailed illustrations. And I also started learning animation to increase the possibilities. And one last thing, if you really chose art as a career, then go for it. Even if you don't get any commission or appreciation anywhere, even if your efforts are called as a waste of time, don't let those words enter your heart. You know yourself better than anyone else in this world. It's better to risk now than regret later. Don't think that it's too late now, or I don't have time. It's better than regretting in last days of your life on deathbed that you had one life and you didn't live it. This is not only for artists, it is for everyone. Choose a job you want to do, don't go with crowd. Hope this video will help you get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below of this video about your art journey. I am a small artist, so of course I will answer them all. You can stay in contact with me on my YT community. Suggest me next video ideas or tell me about obstacles you getting while drawing. I will do my best to give you good advice. Bye.